This is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your Android version on your Xiaomi phone. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you own a modern Android smartphone, chances are the version of Android is running after change thanks to new updates. But how you can check the version you're running or whether you have any updates to install. In these videos, I will show you how to check your Android version on your Xiaomi phone. Or maybe you're using another brand phone, maybe Samsung or another brand. You can follow this step by step too. So first, you can open your settings on your phone. After that, you can just go to your About phone. Now, you can just scroll down and here you can find there is an option Android version. You can see your Android version. My Android version is 14. You can just tap on Android version. You can also check the Android security update. You can check your detailed info in here. Here's your Android version. As you can see, I'm using Android 14. It's so simple, right? So that is how to check your Android version on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.